Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you the fix of can't add card to Apple Wallet, and this is actually very easy. At first, you need to make sure that whatever card you are using to add, it actually supports Apple Wallet. So maybe let's say it's Mikey card. So you're gonna type in does Mikey support Apple Wallet? And we click on this one, and then we see that yes, it does. And so you're going to at first very quickly confirm if it's supported or not. After that, you're going to check if you have any connection issues. Maybe it's a problem with your Wi-Fi or mobile data, so turn that off and on. Also, sometimes you need to restart your iPhone, so do that very quickly. Finally, if you keep seeing this could not add card, invalid card or card device limit, then you might also contact the card, like whichever bank or card issuer it is from. You'll contact them and let them know that hey, if the is there any problem with my card because I can't add it to Apple Wallet, and they'll let you know, and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.